How to create UberEats account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded UberEats app on your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app UberEats and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now you can use your phone number, Apple ID, Google or email address to create your account. For this video, I will be using phone number. First up, click on this drop down and select your country. Then go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on continue. Or also you can use any of the options given over here, Apple ID, Google or email address. Just click on it and type in your Google ID, email address or Apple ID and then click on continue. Now you will be receiving code in your email address or the phone number. You have to type in that code over here. And just with that, your UberEats account will be created. So this way you can easily sign up for UberEats account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.